57 Cadillac Series 62 convertible.
Yeah, pretty cool that we saw the former Jack Palance, famous actor, owned 57 Cadillac Series 62 convertible, and just a few cars later, presuming no celebrity owner on this one from the past, but don't know that for sure. Air conditioning sitting on top of that 365 cubic inch Cadillac V8 with an automatic transmission. They've taken and they've actually hidden the guts of a modern charging system, an alternator versus the original generator.
Okay.
And they've hidden it in there. That's a kind of a little popular touch to keep the vintage look as much as possible.
You know, JK, earlier on that Buick LeSabre, you mentioned how that was the lowest trim level. The Series 62, not the top trim level of the Caddy.
Same thing, right?
Look at this.
Yeah. Phone versus internet.
Phone's got the, just as I say that, the internet jumps back in.
Boy, they ought to hit the switch and lower that top right now, and they'll hit
If they do, and it does, do you get a cut?
Oh, please. Don't lead me on.
Okay. We got some folks looking at it while it's on the bid goes on pad, in addition to the absentee bidders on the phone and the internet. Pretty cool. High quality restoration and the right color combination helping to drive the bid. Internet, $120,000.
Air conditioning, cool snowflake wheels,